Ole ole, this is Hellhound Engineering Solutions on how I did a DIY project on upgrading the garage fluorescent light to a COSTCO super bright 3-panel LED garage light. Very first thing you do when working with electricity is to turn off the power at the main breaker panel. Now I remove the light cover. It's just clipped on, but the fluorescent tubes you have to twist. Just be careful not to break the tubes in the process. The wire housing and baluster cover is easily removed, exposing the internal components so you can now disconnect the wiring. Whew! My arms are getting tired as the last step is to unscrew the housing from the ceiling, and off it goes to the trash. Preparing the metal electrical box, I drill some holes for attaching it to the garage ceiling joist. I removed the 3/8" plug to attach the 3/8" metal conduit combination clamp connector to secure the wire to. Last thing to do for this box is to screw in the ground wire pigtail to it. Here I go again, up and away on the ladder. Once up there, I push the electrical wire through the metal conduct, tightening the wire clamps, securing the electrical wire to the box, and using deck screws to screw the metal electrical box to the ceiling joist. All secure. To wire the porcelain lamp holder in, first you connect the ground wires together and push them up into the metal box as far as they go. Now you connect the white wire to the silver screw and the black wire to the brass screw. When you're done tightening them, you push all the wires up into the box and screw the porcelain lamp holder in place. So far, so good. All that is left is to screw in the LED and turn the breaker back on. Ole ole, another down and dirty DIY home project completed. If you liked the video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.